Hello everyone, I am Swapnil. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get started with Kotlin in Android application development. Many of you may have been already using Java programming for developing Android applications. So in this video, you can know how you can use Kotlin to develop Android applications and many of you wants to start Android app development, so they can start directly with the Kotlin programming languages because it will be easier to learn using Kotlin. And this is our first video about Kotlin, and in later videos we will move further. Android Studio latest version we are using. You can install this Android Studio from Android developer website. This is Android Studio 3.0. What we are going to learn in this video is very first stage, that is simple Android application. In this application we will have one uh, screen only, and there will be only single button, and you can click on that button to get a toast. So this will be very simple application. With that you can get started. Button and on click of that, so you can learn how to uh, set on click listener on a button in Kotlin, and how to uh, show a toast. So in Java, if you do, so you can see that in Java that will take some code, but in Kotlin it will take less code, so we will see it. Let's create application, let's create a new project. You can name it anything you want. Here you can check this box, include Kotlin support, so it will support Kotlin. We can choose empty activity. Our activity name will be main activity, and layout will be activity main. Here we will create this application. We will put one button, and we will write on click listener on that button, and then it will generate a toast. I will run this application on my mobile phone, and I will show you the results. Kotlin programming languages, it is mainly developed for using in Android application development, and it makes it easier for Android application development. Here, as you can see, the uh, syntax of this code will be different from our Java programming. Here it is extending the app compact activity class, which is from android.support.v7.app.app compact activity, and same as Java, here is on create method. Inside this on create method we can write our own code, and content view here is activity main. Here they have hello world, so we can directly run this application and get the results as hello world. So let's put our button instead of this hello world. Delete this code of text view. From design we can drag and drop button. button is placed in our XML layout. Using this we can set position of our button. From borders we can drag in this Android Studio, so it will take a distance, how far it can be from the borders. Or we can place anywhere we want. We can place here also. If we do not set these borders, then it will show our button here in the left corner. Let it be in the left corner. Later we will put it in center. Our button ID is button, text will be button. As you can see, it will go to the left corner. Let us focus on our Kotlin code now. Here in Kotlin code, first of all we want to create our on click listener on that button. So in Java, as you know, we need to find view by ID and then set on click listener on that ID on button. But here you can directly use the ID of button widget, that is button here in our case. This ID you can directly use. Let's see. We will need to import to use this. Here I am writing button. Now it will show as error because it doesn't yet know what is button. So now how to get this? We will need to add one extension in our plugin. We can do a apply plugin, apply plugin, Kotlin Android extensions. Using this, now we can directly get our now we can import the activity main here, and then we can get widgets from there. See how to import. What we are going to do is we will import all the widgets which are there in our activity main layout. We can do alt enter here. It have imported like this. This import is possible with this plugin. So we have applied the plugin here, Kotlin Android extensions. Here by star it means it is importing all the widgets. Instead of star, now we can write button also, but later it will be useful as we will have more widgets on that screen, so it will single line will import all. Now here it is recognizing the button ID directly, so you can click you can call a method on this. Set on click listener. Here no parameters you need to give for simple tasks. Button dot set on click set on click listener, it will work for us. it it can give us a method to put a set on click listener on this button. Now it is done and you know how to put a on click listener on a button. Now how will we test that button click is working? So we can put a toast on this click listener. And in Java, as you know, there there is also one line of code to show a toast, but you need to call show method and other things also you need to give other properties. But here directly you can write toast, and inside that you can give your string, so it will create a toast. But for this also you need to do something in our build.gradle. Let's see. Here in dependencies, Enco library does provide this functionality using which we can directly use toast. We need to import that, and first we need to compile that library here. Compile. org.jetbrains.enco. Here you can use the test version. Now here we can import to use that library. We are going to use toast. org.jetbrains.enco dot toast we need. And in Kotlin, as you can see, we do not need to give semicolons. Now this toast will work. So now we have our button set and our on click listener set and our toast, and everything is done. Now we can try our application by running it. Let's run. You can see the code is very less and understandable and readable code, so it is very good for beginners to start with Kotlin. Application will run in my device, and you can see here I am casting my mobile screen here. In this video we have learned how to create a button and set on click listener on it, and then create toast on click of that button. We have also learned how to use different widgets from our activity main layout here. This is our application button, as we put on left corner. When we click on this button, it is generating toast. Thank you for watching this video, and share your views in the comment. In the next video we will move further with next things on Kotlin, and thanks again for watching the video. Please subscribe channel for more videos next into this Kotlin. Please like video as well. Thank you.